And the rope Dance Rose looking for the lead. Cool Shallow moving up. Potomac River on the outside. Green Lexter, Friendly Fire, and Majestic Queen. And going along for the first turn, Potomac River from the outside leads by flying moving up now. Dance Rose. It's Dance Rose, Potomac River. Alain Kanihap, Cool Shallow. Then followed by Friendly Fire, Green Lexter, and Majestic Queen. And into the back they travel. Dance Rose takes up the running by Alain, followed by Potomac River. Friendly Fire, Majestic Queen on the outside. Cool Shallow and Green Lexter. Dance Rose in front. Inside the last 600. Dance Rose by Alain, Potomac River, Majestic Queen, Friendly Fire, Cool Shallow, and Green Lexter. Dance Rose hanging on with Alain Clida. Inside the last 400. Dance Rose by Alain, Potomac River, Majestic Queen, Friendly Fire, Cool Shallow, and Green Lexter as they hit the final turn with Dance Rose leads by some 2.5 now, followed by Potomac River, Cool Shallow, Majestic Queen, Green Lexter, and Friendly Fire, but still Dance Rose, and finally Dance Rose, Potomac River, Cool Shallow, Green Lexter, Friendly Fire, and Majestic Queen.
Buti na lang, nandiyan kayong dalawa. 1526, dating